to pick up a few bits, but not in that shopping clothing way, just to toiletries, like, you know, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Nothing much, so I'll catch you later. So I dropped the package off already. Now I'm gonna just have a little walk in the park and show you guys the park. Hi, good morning, it's Netty here. Don't forget to like my videos and feel free to subscribe and leave a comment. And don't forget that I'm doing my my edges journey, so if you have any recommendation how to grow my edges, please feel free to leave it in the comment section, and I can look into it, because every help is good for me, because I need to get my edges back on track. You know, I want for the summer to come and I have my edges on point, so I can keep my hair in a ponytail, you know. So I'm gonna go into the park for a little minute and show you all just a little walk around, so I can, like, you know, have a little chat with you to see how my channel can grow a bit bigger, and because I'm determined to make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, so when I get into the park, I'll show you around, and we can have a little chat and see how it goes. I'm going out later. I'm going to meet up with a couple of people for dinner later, so that's what happened. I don't wear my glasses. Things just start to fly. Almost caught my eye. Anyway, I'm going to let you all know where I'm going tonight. Okay, so let's get to the park and I'll show you around. I won't stay there for long. I'll just go a little sit down, a little 5 minute sit down, you know what I mean? A little 5 minute sit down, and we can have a conversation. Okay, bye. Okay, so let's go to the park and have a little wander and see what's in the park. It's called Byron Walk. Yeah, it's called Byron Walk. Oh, by the way, I just dropped the packages off, so that's another thing. So we could look. The park is full of birds. Yeah, look at this lot. Park is full of birds. So yeah, I don't really come to the park often. I do have a little walk around. Oh, look at that. Oh, is that lovely? Oh, look at that. They've gone. They're all gone. And there's little blackbirds in the tree there. Yeah. But yeah, nothing much. So let's talk. I've done YouTube for, I haven't done it properly, but I've made my channel a few since 2022, but I didn't prolong it because having to grow up my daughter, you know, as a single parent, she wasn't interested in going on the channel, and I didn't want to push it, because obviously she has a right to say no, and I listen to her, because that's the most important thing, when you listen to your children, you know, and don't force things on them. So, busy mom, a child, a girl child, and things just didn't seem right at the time. We just at the time when I launched my YouTube channel, we just came out of COVID, and we were still under some kind of lockdown, but not as greatly as 2020 and 2019. I mean 2020, 2021. 2019 I contracted COVID, and because of that I didn't have much energy to do anything. Then I get back into work, start working, and YouTube just came second base to me. So I didn't want to stop being a mom and to take care of my daughter and make sure that she's good, and then I have to go to work. So I just put YouTube on the back burner. Now that she's off to university rather, and I have only my job and all this spare time, I thought to myself, have a look at the court. Okay, this is basketball court. So yeah, so I said to myself, you know what, let me start this up again and see how far I can get, you know. So that's what I did, and I am going to keep doing it. I don't know how many subscribers am I gonna get, but I'm not gonna stop doing it. I'm gonna keep trying my best. So it's November the 13th, I think, and I'm off from work today as well. Back to work on Monday because I had a couple of days holidays. So I thought, you know what, I'm not going away, so I'm gonna take it. It's cold, so I'm gonna take it. And then I said to myself, why not start up YouTube? So I started up a YouTube channel. I had one before in 2022. Didn't do much of it. At the time my daughter was was a teenager, you know, like, you know, late teens, like she was 15, 16, and she's still a child, you know. And I said to myself, let's do YouTube to my daughter. And she said, no mommy, I don't want to be a part of any YouTube. I don't want to be on any channels. I don't want to be exposed to anything. So I said, you know what, if you don't want to be on it, I'm not going to force you. So I put that on, I put my channel away for a while, and just carrying being a mom and working, you know. And now she's away. This is her second year in university, and I said to her the other day, I'm gonna start on my channel, and she said, go for it, mom. So I'm gonna start it. I posted a video yesterday and the day before that. So she said great. So she said, mommy, I will help you to edit stuff and all of that. And I said, okay, cool, that's so nice. But yeah, I always wanted to do YouTube, but I wouldn't do it if my daughter wasn't happy about it. And now that she's giving me the thumbs up, I'm like, okay, Annette, yes. So my name is Annette. I'm Jamaican, as I said before in my other vlog, and I live in England. I'm in the capital city of London, one of the capital city of London, and I've been living in the UK for over 2 decades now. So I am very pleased about that. I do go back to Jamaica often. I was there in September of this year, 2024. My mom still lives there, and I have like a sister there, and my nieces are there as well. And when I go there, we have such a good time, me and them, and they're good girls. Also, my daughter has been to Jamaica before, but she is not a flyer. She doesn't like flying a lot, but I mean, she enjoys the the whole excitement of it all. I work in London. I work up in the city. I work in Alban. And what else should I tell you about myself? I live in East London. You know, I've been living in East London for all the time I've been in the UK. Yeah, I don't drive. I started learning to drive, but I said, you know what, the trains are so much better than anything else. You don't get any parking space in London, so why should I drive? Take the train. Underground, every 2 minutes or a minute and a half. You get to everywhere in 20 minutes. So what's the point? Yeah, so that's what I do. I like to go out. I'm a social person. I'm a Cancer, so makes me very emotional. Crybaby, they say. No, I'm not. I love shopping. I mean, all women does, I think. I love spending money. Not necessarily people's money, but I love spending money. Yeah, pretty much that. I'm just a regular girl, you know. I like girly stuff. I'm a very, you see my hair is pink. I'm a girly girl. I'm a loving person, a kind person. So with all my vlogs, you will get great content, you know. I'm doing I work 5 days a week, so my job takes up most of my time, but I will do my vlogging on my days off, and I will do a lot of content so that you can get a lot of content from me. But for now, I'm going out later. I'm going to eat out, so I will take you with me. Never been married, but yeah, I'll take you with me when I go out today. At the moment, I'm just enjoying the park. Have a look at it. Look at the greenery. Such a peaceful time. I wouldn't even be out if it wasn't for this vlogging YouTube. I would be at home just watching Netflix and chilling. So I'm so happy that YouTube take me out of my comfort zone, and I am about, because I haven't been to the park for time. So it takes me out of my comfort zone, and I am just relaxing and enjoying myself. I will turn the camera off a little bit and pause. Yeah, I had to pause the video because there's a baby coming past. But yeah, so come with me on my journey, and I will make it a little bit better for you. Yeah. As I said, I'm on my journey with my hair, my edges. So if you know of any remedy that works, I went to Jamaica and I got some castor oil, and I'm carrying that with some rosemary oil as well to use on the edges of my hairline, because they whack, really whack. So I'm gonna do that. You know, social media is good and bad. If you know your audience, and you know what to do and how to carry yourself, and the people you surround yourself with, you know, I think it's a good thing. But for me, I'm just gonna do my regular vlog, and I'm gonna take it to some sightseeings and make it fun. I'm gonna make you want to come to London, you know, because it's a great city. It's one of the best cities. So I'm gonna show you as much as I can. Okay guys, I'm ready. Just waiting for a pickup. And yes, I gotta put my coat on because you know it's England, so it's cold. So I'll show you what I'm wearing. So there you go, per booty, my coat, and yeah, that's it. So just waiting for the ride, and then I'll be ready to go. This is my hair. I just pin it up. So yeah.